The mangroves, protectors of our coastlines. A product of millions of years of evolution, adapted to the saline intertidal zones. Mangroves are the most protective and biodiverse wetland forests on Earth, found mainly in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. These coastal ecosystems cover an estimated area of 15.2 million hectares. These coastal ecosystems support world's biological diversity and primary productive. Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary. It is the second largest mangrove forest along the east coast of India, named after Sundarbans in West Bengal. Koringa mangroves cover an estimated area of 235.7 square kilometers. This mangrove forest was declared as Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary in the year 1978, July 5th. The main tourism highlights of the sanctuary are Wooden Bridge. It is the largest wooden bridge in India with about 570 meters in length, watchtower, boat rides, children play zones, etc. Mangrove forest remains partially submerged for hours once or twice a day. During the low tide, some of the areas are exposed. This elevates mud flats having lot of shells like horn shell, tree trunk shell, crabs, and this is the feeding time for many birds and snakes. Spot-tailed pit viper is a venomous pit viper species. There are no past records of this snake in the region. Recently, conservation biologists identified the spot-tailed pit vipers in the Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary. It can grow up to 22 inches. The major diet is rats, insects, and small birds. Coming to non-venomous snakes, checked keelback, dog-faced water snake, Indian wolf snake. These are the common snakes found in the creeks. Koringa mangroves is a heaven for avian fauna. It supports over 269 bird species, of which 96 are migrators and rest of the birds are residents. Koringa mangroves has rich vegetation. There are 35 species of plants belonging to 24 families which are present in this sanctuary. Avicennia officinalis, Avicennia marina, and Avicennia alba. These three species are the major dominant species in the sanctuary. The magnificent mangrove mammals are fishing cat, Indian smooth-coated otter, golden jackal, Indian mongoose, and rhesus macaw. In 2008, the IUCN classified fish cat as endangered. As per the reports of Forest Department, Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary supports 77 fishing cat. It is well adapted to wetlands as its name implies the major diet of fishing cat is fish, rats and small amphibians. Therefore, Mangroves for Future is a very timely initiative and will meet great success.